National Weather Service
in Upton has issued a flash flood warning for western Suffolk County in southeastern New York until 6:45 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 0.75 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen, with rainfall rates at 1.5 inches in an hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1 inch are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Stony Brook, Port Jefferson, Rocky Point, Mount Sinai, Saniket, Nefconsett, St. James, Miller Place, Lake Road, Port Jefferson Station, and Sound Beach. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Suffolk, New York,